Okay, so things are getting more serious now. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 just got leaked. This might be Samsung's boldest move yet. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is officially out in the wild, and no joke, it's looking completely different from what we have seen before. The design is cleaner, thinner, and there is one major decision Samsung made that's going to spark a lot of debate. So let's dive in. First up, the camera rings. They are gone. Samsung officially ditched them for a new floating camera layout that looks super premium, like something straight off the Samsung S25 Edge. It's minimal, it's sharp, and it gives the Fold 7 a much more flagship feel. But that's just the beginning, because the phone is shockingly slim. Side by side with the Fold 6, you can instantly tell Samsung wasn't playing around. It's the thinnest fold yet. But because it's that slim, the camera bump looks way bigger now, even though it's not. It just pops more against the thin frame. When the phone is in unfolded state, it's just 3.8mm thick almost. Now here comes the twist. Samsung removed the under display selfie camera from the inner screen. Yeah, it's gone. As you can see in the official renders, the selfie camera is now clearly visible in punch hole design. Some people loved the clean, uninterrupted display, but let's be real. That under display camera was never really good. Now we are getting a normal punch hole camera with a slightly better sensor. So yeah, selfies might actually look decent on the big screen now. And here is the interesting part. By removing that camera, Samsung could use stronger folding glass, which means a less visible crease. If it's anything like what we saw with the Fold 6 Special Edition, this might be the cleanest foldable screen Samsung has ever made. But till now, till Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung was really unable to remove the crease at all. Now let's talk about the bezels. There were rumors that Samsung is going to decrease the bezels and they will be very thin as compared to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. But as you can see in these official renders, those rumors were not true at all. We're still getting that same bezels from Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. But we are getting three colors: blue shadow, jet black, and a silver shadow color. And who knows, maybe a few exclusive colors will sneak in closer to launch. Samsung is also launching the Flip 7, and the official renders of Flip 7 were also leaked with a much larger cover display, edge-to-edge style. Still unclear if it will run full apps, but it's looking promising. According to rumors from all around the internet, the Samsung Unpacked event is happening on July 9th. That's kind of official. So no more camera rings, no more under display camera, and maybe no more visible crease. This Fold is all about bold decisions. So yeah, let's see the phone in action on July 9th. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.